भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। Through Vidimukha and Nishedmukha, Mangalacharanam is done, and Tattva Pratipadanam is done, Brahmatma Aikya. In first Mangalacharana, first Tvampada, then Tatpada. In second Mangalacharana, first Tatpada, then Tvampada. In first one, second one, first Tvampada, then Tatpada. In this way, both are pointed out. And in the Jagrat Avastha, there are Sthula Bhoga. In Swapna Avastha, Sukshma Bhoga, Jyotisha Svena Sukshman. So that Jyoti is Atma Jyoti, Swayam Prakasha Chaitanya. Atma Jyotisha, we saw that Vakya. Vishayikritan Anubhuya Apanchikrita Panchamahābhūta Tatkaryaatmaka Sukshma Prapancham Hairanyagarbham Shariram Swapnasthanam Cha Abhimanyamanas Taijaso Bhavati Ityartha. Up to that we saw. So Hiranyagarbha Sharira is Swapnasthana, which is Samashti Sukshma Prapancha, and then Chaitanya, which is expressing through that Samashti Sukshma Sharira. In that, the one who has Atma Abhimana, Swapnasthana, that is Taijasa. Atma Abhimana means I am dreamer right now. This is Atma Abhimana. Or I am experiencer of dream. Right now our Abhimana is I am experiencer of waking. So Jagrad Avastha Abhimani we are right now in this way. Further, see in Tika, Tatraiva Sushupta Kalpanam Darshayati. Now Tatraiva means there itself where there is waking experience, there itself dream, there itself sushupta kalpana. Sarvan. So the one who thought he was awake, who thought he was dreaming, now he himself is sleeping. Sarvan etan. So sarvan etan punarapi shanai, that part of the shloka. स्थूल सूक्ष्म विभागेन स्थान द्वयावच्छिन्नान् प्रकृतान् एतान् अशेषान् अपि विशेषान् उपाधिद्वयभूतान् उपाधिद्वयद्वारकस्थानद्वय संचार प्रयुक्त श्रमोद्भवानन्तरं तस्यापि परिजिहीर्षायां शनैः, टू मात्रा दर्देर, हाँ, शनैरनुक्रमेण अक्रमेण वा. If two matras are not clear, then you make it clear. स्वात्मनि अज्ञाते कारणात्मनि स्थापयित्वा उपसंहृत्य अव्याकृत प्रधानः सन् प्राज्ञो भवति इत्यर्थः. So स्थूल सूक्ष्म विभाग was done. स्थूल भोग जागृत अवस्था, सूक्ष्म भोग स्वप्नावस्था. विभागेन स्थानद्वय अवच्छिन्नान् प्रकृतान् एतान् अशेषान् अपि विशेषान्. So all bhogas which are sthanadvaya avachinna means all bhogas will be either available in sthula or sukshma avastha. There is no other avastha in which they are available. In karana avastha they are not available. Their existence but unavailability means karana avastha. Something is there but it is not available in this way. Whereas if it is available, it is either sthula or sukshma. प्रकृतान एतान अशेषान अपि विशेषान. So विशेषान means all the distinct bhogas which are with upadhi dvaya bhutan, with two kinds of upadhi, sthula or sukshma. उपाधि द्वय भूतान उपाधि द्वय द्वारक स्थान द्वय संचार प्रयुक्त श्रमोद्भवानंतरम. नाउ व्हेन दिस एक्सपीरियंस गोज ऑन, उपाधि द्वय, टू उपाधिज आर देयर, स्थूल शरीर उपाधि, सूक्ष्म शरीर उपाधि. उपाधि द्वय द्वारक, दीज आर दी एंट्री पॉइंट्स. स्थान द्वय संचार, इन दीज टू प्लेस ही कीप्स ऑन मूविंग लाइक a big fish, Mahamatsya. Mahamatsya is so big that even if there is current in the water, that entire current also as if stops because of that big fish. It is that, means like a big rock or big mountain, a small mountain kind of. Such fish can go from one end of the river to the other end of the river and doesn't get affected. These are the sthanadvaya. Sthanadvaya sanchara. Sanchara means this movement. Tat prayukta shrama. So when you go from one to the other, then you get tired. So when we go on experiencing objects in waking, dream, and we get tired. And if we have eaten some food, then we get tired easily and quickly. Shramodbhavanantaram. After that, shrama means the exhaustion which arises. After that, tasyapi parijihirshayam. Then I am ready to give up that also. That means I am ready to give up both the avastha and all vishayas which are there in both avasthas. तस्यापि परिजिहीर्षा, परिजिहीर्षा हातुमिच्छा, जिहीर्षा. So we can see in our own life also, a time comes when even in Jagrat we are not interested in certain vastu, certain bhoga. So like in childhood what we were interested in, as we start growing up we say no, I don't want this. As we grow further then we say no, this is not what I want. As we grow further, so slowly we have desire to give up things, and that giving up for an Ajnani person, that giving up is replaced by taking up something which is another similar kind of bhoga. There is no vishesha, there is nothing different. But for a sadhaka, you give up something and you take up something more spiritual which will unfold you in your journey. Then you give that up, then you take up something more. This is called progression. Whether you take it in the sadhana, that earlier he was doing only karma, now he does karma yoga, then from karma yoga he comes to upasana, then from upasana he comes to jnanam. In jnanam, first level of jnanam is a different kind, means study, shravanam. Second level of shravanam is another kind. Then he comes to mananam, more chintanam. When chintanam is there, he himself sees lot of things. Plus, there is whole life experience. He himself has experienced now the sorrows first hand. Only Shastra says there is sorrow in here, there is sorrow. That is not enough for him anymore. So he himself has observed his own body, his own mind, his own sense organs. Like this Raja Bhartrhari, he has written Vairagya Shatakam, Niti Shatakam. Remember that Vairagya Shatakam came from his own Vairagya. It is not that he said, okay, let me write 100 shlokas on Vairagya. When he himself, earlier who was a king and very learned, he had listened to so many great people in his assembly, etc. Lot of things he knew, but he also had lot of love for people. People in the sense, his wife and other bhogas, he was very much interested. But when he himself woke up and he wrote this Vairagya Shatakam, that Bhartrhari was different Bhartrhari. So that slowly the spirit of renunciation catches up with everybody who is a true sadhaka. If they have some sattva in their life, punya karma, everything adds up for this only. This is the day for which actually everything was done in the childhood or in previous janma. So all my satkarma, their paripaka is in the form of vairagya, sannyasa. I am more and more inclined now for these things. So in general also we have desire to give up things, and when we are tired of something, then what to talk? It is so easy to give up. Something that has exhausted you. What is the first thought that you will have? Let me drop this now. So tasyapi parijihirshayam. In Sushupti, when person wants to go, he is ready to give up these two. Shanaihi, slowly. Tippani number 8. Seven number tippani did we see? Seven number tippani was प्रभावात आत्मीयमति, I think we saw that, yeah. 8 number is अनुक्रमेण इत्यादि. So 8 number टिप्पणी is अनुक्रमेण अक्रमेण वा, there it is given अनुक्रमेण इत्यादि जागृतात् स्वप्नः ततः सुषुप्तम् इति. दिस इज अनुक्रम. फ्रॉम वेकिंग आई गो टू ड्रीम, फ्रॉम ड्रीम आई गो टू डीप स्लीप. अक्रम इज यतः कुतश्चित् यत्र कुत्र इति. फ्रॉम वेकिंग आई कैन गो टू स्लीप, फ्रॉम स्लीप आई कैन गो टू ड्रीम, फ्रॉम ड्रीम आई कैन गो बैक टू स्लीप, देन फ्रॉम स्लीप अगेन आई वेक अप, लाइक दैट. दिस इज अक्रमेण. आइदर वे देयर इज नो सीक्वेंस नीडेड. स्वात्मनि अज्ञाते मूल मीन्स टीका. स्वात्मनि अज्ञाते कारणात्मनि स्थापयित्वा. स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा. स्वात्मनि मीन्स अज्ञाते कारणात्मनि. कारणात्मा विच हैज अज्ञानम ऑल्सो. कारण बिकॉज इट इज द कारण लय स्थानम ऑफ ऑल. इट इज सत but there is ajnanam also. So swam apito bhavati, and along with that there is ignorance. कारणत्मनि स्थापयित्वा उपसंहृत्य. उपसंहृत्य means doing upasamhara, having done upasamhara, having withdrawn completely. अव्याकृत प्रधानः सन् प्राज्ञो भवति इत्यर्थः. He has become अव्याकृत प्रधानः. अव्याकृतः means unmanifest. Predominantly he is unmanifest. प्रधान शब्द one meaning you can take that. अव्याकृत प्रधानः मीन्स अव्याकृतं प्रधानम यस्य सः अव्याकृत प्रधानः प्राज्ञः. प्रधान शब्द I think is नपुंसकलिंग. So here it is in पुल्लिंग means it is बहुव्रीहि समास. प्राज्ञो भवति. What is otherwise known as, see further, prajna means at that time there is no knowledge available, but all knowledge is stored in the form of unmanifest. तस्यैव प्रत्यगात्मनः स्थानत्रय विशिष्टस्य नान्तः प्रज्ञं न बहिष्प्रज्ञम् इत्यादि प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत प्रमाण ज्ञान समारूढ़स्य सर्वानपि अनर्थ विशेषान् कार्य कारण रूपान् प्रमाण ज्ञान प्रभावादेव हित्वा निरुपाधिक परिपूर्णं परिज्ञान परमात्म स्वरूपेण परिनिष्पन्नं तत्वं कथयति. तस्यैव प्रत्यगात्मनः, दैट सेम प्रत्यगात्मा स्थानत्रय विशिष्टस्य, हु इज स्थानत्रय विशिष्ट, जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्ति स्थानत्रय विशिष्ट, नान्तः प्रज्ञं न बहिष्प्रज्ञम् इत्यादि प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत. अंतःप्रज्ञं बहिष्प्रज्ञं, all of these are the names of the individual identified with different states, and you know this is based on the mantra of this Upanishad itself, 7th mantra. So Pratyagatma, which is in the 3 states, Sthanatraya Vishishtasya, identified with 3, नान्तः प्रज्ञम न बहिष्प्रज्ञम इत्यादि प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत. दिस मंत्र is negating. This is the thing. This is निषेध मुखेन मंगलाचरणम. अभाव. In first मंगलाचरणम भाव was प्रधान. In second मंगलाचरणम अभाव is प्रधान. what is not there is highlighted in this way. नान्तप्रज्ञम न बहिष्प्रज्ञम इत्यादि प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत, अराइजिंग फ्रॉम दिस प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत प्रमाण ज्ञान समारूढ़स्य, the one who is rising or is seated, established in this प्रमाण ज्ञान समारूढ़स्य सर्वान् अपि अनर्थ विशेषान् कार्य कारण रूपान् प्रमाण ज्ञान प्रभावादेव हित्वा. प्रमाण ज्ञान इज वन शब्द. प्रमाण ज्ञान प्रभावादेव हित्वा निरुपाधिक. So up to this first let us see. प्रतिषेध शास्त्र प्रसूत प्रमाण ज्ञान समारूढ़स्य सर्वान् अपि अनर्थ विशेषान्. Ultimately he realizes आत्म सुखम alone is सुखम, everything else is only anartha vishesha, variety of problems. Anartha means what you do not want is anartha, means dukkham. So every object and their contact, my contact with any aspect of the world, thinking that they will give sukham, sukham is not their nature. Sukham is swarupa of something else, Atma. And therefore all of them are anartha visheshan, karya karana rupan, either in the form of karya means manifest problems or problems waiting to come later. That's all. What a wonderful thing. Karya Karan Rupan, you can just use say Karya Vishaya and Karana Vishaya in this way also. Karya Prapancha, Karana Prapancha. Praman Jnana Prabhavad Eva Hitva. So this of this Pratyagatma, Pramana Jnana Prabhavad. On the strength of Pramana, he knows what is the Vishaya, what will result in Sukham, Dukkham, Ityadi, or the samskaras which are there, which are generated from this Pramana Vyapara. On the strength of that, he knows. And then finally he gives up everything. Hitva Nirupadhika Paripurnam परिज्ञान परमात्म स्वरूपेण परिनिष्पन्नम तत्वम कथयति. निरुपाधिक परिपूर्णम, the prapancha which is all given up, then what remains is nirupadhika Brahma, paripurnam, infinite. परिज्ञान परमात्म स्वरूपेण परिनिष्पन्नम तत्वम. परिज्ञान परमात्म स्वरूप. ज्ञान शब्द, as you know, is used in two different ways. One jnanam is vritti jnanam, where Chaitanya becomes manifest in the buddhi vritti. That jnanam is not parijnanam. Parijnanam means that which is complete, paritaha, purnataha, paripurna. The vritti jnanam has the ability to remove ajnanam. Vritti jnanam is kshanikam, momentary. So it is anitya. So vritti jnanam is anitya. Vritti jnana has the ability to remove ajnanam. But vritti jnanam is not Paramatma. Paramatma Swarupa is Purna Jnanam or Parigyanam or Kutastha Jnanam, which is said in Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. That Jnanam Paramatma Swarupena Parinishpannam Tattvam, which is Prasiddham, very well known as Paramatma Swarupam. This is our true nature. So now you see, up till now, Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, Avastha, Abhimani was talked about. With this Hitva, now Paramatma is talked about. That when I give up all three states, then Tvam-pada is actually nothing but Tat-pada. Now, remember, here Hitva is, he goes into Sushupti. But that Prajna also, I am not. You cannot give up all three. Unless they say, okay, you go to Nirvikalpaka Samadhi Avastha. But when I understand that I am not waker, dreamer or a deep sleeper. In waking, there are sthula vishayas, karya prapancha. I give up that. In dream, sukshma prapancha, karya prapancha. I give up that also. In sushupti, when we are there, all prapancha is absent and I am karanatmana one. Swam apito bhavati. Swapiti. At that time, when I understand that even in that, my nature is not prajnatva, but that with which I became one, and I was Sukha Swarupa, that I am. So prajna also I gave up that identity. So in Sushupti, the Avastha Abhimani will be called Prajna. And his Aikya is with Paramatma Vastu, which is Na Anta Prajnam, Na Bahish Prajnam, Na Prajnana Ghanam. Do you know? Okay, let me just finish this. Parinishpannam Tattvam Kathayati Hitva iti. Hitva Sarvan Visheshan Vigata Gunaganaha Patvasau Nasturiyaha. So Vigata Gunaganaha, he has given up all the Visheshas, all Guna, Sattva Rajo Tamo Guna, or all attributes in this way, all identities. These Sthula identities or Sambandhas, Pita, Mata, Bhrata, Pati, Patni, Putra, ityadi, or that I am owner of this place, owner of this ashram, manager of this ashram, or whatever, Kothari, Bhandari, Mantri, Tantri, ityadi, or husband, wife, or whatever, manager here, there, working, all whatever identities I have, I give up everything. Then in Sushupti, this Jiva is called Prajnana Ghana. Correct? Is Prajnana Ghana. But you know, Atma is also called Prajnana Ghana in Brahadaranyaka. In Sushupti, Jiva is called Prajnana Ghana. And in Brahadaranyaka, Atma is called Prajnana Ghana. Vijnana Ghana, prajnana ghana, ananda ghana, in this way. Now you say, okay, you tell me what is prajnana ghana? Is prajnana ghana, so somebody who has studied only Mandukya but not Brihadaranyaka, they'll think prajnana ghana is sushupti avastha abhimani. But prajnana ghana means Brahma also. Then what is the difference between prajnana ghana and prajnana ghana? So prajnana ghana shabda in sushupti means that everything is there, only it is in avyakta avastha, and that's why jnanam is ghana. That's what prajnana ghana. And as far as Brahma is concerned, it is jnana ghana. That's why it is prajnana ghana. So for jiva, the prajnana ghana is only temporary. Because as soon as he comes out, prajnana ghana is gone. All visheshas are back. Not for Brahma. This is the difference between prajnana ghana in Mandukya for Sushupti and prajnana ghana for Brahma. So note that point. Prathama shlokena pradarshita pranamasya pratyuha pravaha prashamanatmakam prayojanam स्थानत्रय प्रकल्पनातीत परवस्तु प्रयुक्तम प्रार्थयते द्वितीयेन पातु इति. In first shloka, first Mangalacharan shloka, pranam, namaskars were offered. That was shown. Pradarshita pranamasya. Pratyuha. Pratyuha means whatever is coming as an obstacle. Obstacle is called pratyuha, vigna. Uha means vitarke, uha vitarke. So vitarka is there. Contradictory ideas, they are called uha. That's how uha apoha, that you create purvapaksha. Pratyuha pravaha prashamanatmakam. This erroneous ideas which keep coming, or vigna that come, it's prashamanam, continuous flow which is there, pravahasya prashamanatmakam prayojanam. This is the prayojanam. What? Patu asau nasturiyaha, naha turiyaha, asau turiyaha, naha patu. प्रयोजनम स्थानत्रय प्रकल्पना अतीत परवस्तु प्रयुक्तम. That which is स्थानत्रय प्रकल्पनातीत. So all the projections which are there in the form of that there are three states, then I am experiencer in three states, then there are objects ityadi. स्थानत्रय प्रकल्पना अतीत पर वस्तु प्रयुक्तम. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. प्रयुक्तम निर्वर्तितम. Nirvart means those which are existing there. So स्थानत्रय प्रकल्पना अतीत पर वस्तु प्रयुक्तम निर्वर्तितम, which is arrived at. So actually it is there in all the three sthanams, but when all the objects are not there, experiencer idea is not there, then I can understand what remains is turiya. That turiya, nirvartitam turiyam tattvam prarthayate. To that prarthana, prayer is done by this द्वितीय श्लोक अंतिम पाद. पात्वसौ नस्तुरियः. नहा, नहा मीन्स व्हाट? अस्मान. अस्मान कान व्याख्यातृत्वेन श्रोतृत्वेन च व्यवस्थितान. व्याख्याता, the one who is going to do expounding, means भगवान भाष्यकार. and Shrota means all of us, Vyakyatritvena Shrotritvena cha Vyavasthitan Purushartha Paripanthikrit Karana Nirasa Purassaram Paramatma Parakrita Shesha Kalpano Nitya Vignapti Swabhavo Moksha Pradhanena Tad Hetu Jnana Pradhanena cha Parirakshatat Ityartha. So when we say, "Oh God, protect me, take care of me, help me," means what kind of help we are asking. So Ajnani can ask for different kind of help. Jnani's help will be different. Jnani means a sadhaka. Uchchatama sadhaka's prayer is also different kind. He is still sadhaka, but he will not ask for ordinary bhoga. He knows all this is anitya. What will I do? Dhruva, at one point he thought, I need a kingdom, and that kingdom should be such that nobody should ask me to get up from here. I should be unrivaled, unchallenged. So 36,000 years of Rajya he asked. Then after returning, when he saw Bhagavan darshan will give you some punya, he said, what did I ask? 36,000 years, what is the use of this? I should have asked for moksha. So this is what happens. Ordinary people will ask some vishaya, some bhoga. Remember, we actually don't ask because we are good sadhakas. But that is our desire, that if this problem gets solved, then how nice it will be. If that issue gets resolved, how nice it will be. So now and then, or here and there, we end up looking for only such thing as a prayer. Now once I have studied Vedanta, then ideally my prayer should be, I am Brahma. Bas. It should stop there. And if I am a sadhaka, let us say, and if I am interested in study sadhana, then my prayer should be, Prabhu, I need a teacher who can show me right path. So then Bhagavan will arrange for some such teacher. Let us say teacher is also there, teaching is going on. I don't have vairagya. So then my prayer will be, Bhagavan, give me some vairagya. Do you want your devotee to look like this, running from here one vishaya to another vishaya? Don't you think it will give you bad name? Give me some vairagya. So the prayer level will be this only. Or, Bhagavan, do you want your bhakta to die as an ignorant? Fortunately, Bhagavan has said, Name bhakta pranashyati. I will take care of my devotees. But if at all we pray, our prayer's nature should be this. So here, when Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, Naha patu, rakshatu, that Turiya may protect us, what will Bhagavan Bhashyakar ask for? Or on behalf of all of us, let us say, because it is both. Not only the Vyakhyatra, it is Shrotru also. So we all are Shrota. We are listening, he is doing Vyakhyanam. So from his standpoint, what is it that he would be interested in asking? So here what is said, Asman Vyakhyatritvena Shrotritvena cha Vyavasthitan Purushartha Paripanthi Krita. First you just make it small. मोक्ष प्रदानेन तद हेतु ज्ञान प्रदानेन च परिरक्षतात्. May that Paramatma protect us by giving moksha. Moksha pradanena means I am doing all my sadhana, so many things, Sandhya Vandanam, Gayatri Japa, this Parayan, that Parayan, going to holy place, living there, Guru Upasatti, Shravana Adi, everything. Its culmination should be moksha. So moksha pradanena. And what is the hetu for moksha? Tad hetu jnana pradanena. Only through jnanam I will get moksha. There is no direct moksha without jnanam. Knowledge will give. Knowledge doesn't mean that I need a lot of shabda jnanam and all shastra, every nyaya shastra and Lagu Kaumudi, Siddhant Kaumudi, Vakya Padiya, everything I may not need. Little bit if I know, it is good enough. So that jnanam is needed. Moksha and its hetu jnana. Now, what is that? That is said in the line in between. Vyavasthitan पुरुषार्थ परिपंथीकृत कारण निराश पुरस्सरम. 10 नंबर टिप्पणी. पुरुषार्थ इत्यादि. पुरुषार्थ ज्ञानम. व्हाट इज पुरुषार्थ? वन मात्रा ಇದೆ. पुरुषार्थो ज्ञानम. पुरुषार्थ is ज्ञानम and its परिपंथी. परिपंथी means the enemies which become obstacles, प्रतिबंधक. They are called परिपंथी. इंद्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत तौ ह्यस्य परिपंथिनौ. So what are the परिपंथी? These things only. Vishaya, here, there, getting distracted or falling for name, fame, something, and getting so busy and entangled in some problems that now I don't have time to think of what is Brahma Tattva. And then easy way out is to say, oh no, I already know that I am Brahma, and that way I don't have to do any thinking. Many people do this way also, because if somebody says, no, what is all this? Okay, I know I am Brahma, so now I don't have to worry, I can do whatever I want. It's a cop-out. Because really speaking, when the crisis hits, that is when the test comes whether I am Brahmanistha or not. So, पुरुषार्थ परिपंथीकृत कारण निराश पुरस्सरम. Karana is avidya. All problems arise because of avidya. So by elimination of avidya, I need moksha. In this way. Purassaram. And what is the nature of moksha? Paramatma swabhava itself. Paramatma parakrita ashesha kalpanaha nitya vignapti swabhavaha. Paramatma who is parakrita ashesha kalpanaha. Parakrita ashesha kalpana. Yes, parakrita ashesha kalpana. Yasmat saha parakrita ashesha kalpanaha. The one from whom all kalpanas have gone out. All kalpanas have become other for him. Parakrita. Ashesha kalpana. All kalpana, nothing is my kalpana. Means nothing, I don't imagine anything as myself. Only I am. I am as in I am Brahma. Sat. Satta matra, chin matra. Satta spurti. That's all. Nitya Vignapti Swabhava. Again, Nitya Vignapti means Kutastha Jnanam, not Vritti Jnanam. Nitya, not Anitya. Chaitanya Matra. This is what is called moksha. This is what I want from Paramatma. Means I want this to be my nature always. You say it is already, you are already that. Yes, but I want to remember that. So that smriti is nishtha for me. Remember doesn't mean that you have to go on repeating it all the time, then only you remember. Its samskara should be there such that whenever I want, those samskaras are available in this way. Parirakshataad ityartha. Kechittu. Now, meaning of the shloka is done. Mangalacharana shloka meaning is. Now, some people, they think differently. So, we'll see what they say. Some people say, Kechittu prakarana चतुष्टयात्मनो ग्रंथस्य वेदांतैक देश संबद्धत्व ज्ञापनार्थम निष्प्रपंचम वाक्य प्रतिपाद्यम ब्रह्म प्रथम श्लोकेन सूचितम. They say the first Mangalacharana talks about this Mandukya Upanishad, which has 4 chapters. Prakarana Chatushta, and it is called Prakarana. That Prakarana word will be explained later. Prakarana Chatushtayatmanaha Granthasya Vedanta Shastrasya Vedantaika Desha Sambadhatva Jnapanartham. That it is because it is Prakarana, and Prakarana is Shastraika Desha Sambaddham. That's why Vedanta is Shastra. Mandukya Upanishad, because of Karika, it will be called Prakarana. So, which has 4 chapters. Prakarana Chatushtaya Atmanaha Granthasya Vedantaika Desha Sambadhatvam Sambandhatva Jnapanartham. So, this is the Sambandha of the Karika, which is part of the Upanishad as Prakarana Grantha here. Jnapanartham Nishprapancham Vakya Pratipadyam Brahma. Through that Nishprapancha Vakya Pratipadya Brahma. Vakya means Mahavakya. Mahavakya Pratipadya Brahma. Prathama Shlokena Suchitam. So, first shloka talks about what is revealed by the Prakarana Chatushtaya, which is connected to the Moola Shastra Mandukya Upanishad mantras, and it also has this as a theme. And Dvitiyena Mangalacharana, second Mangalacharana, Dvitiyena Mandukya Shruti Vyakhyana Rupena Adya Prakaranena. The first chapter of this Karika, which is commentary on Mandukya Upanishad part, Pranava matranam atmapadanam cha ekikaranena, establishing oneness between Pranava matra, Onkar matra, and Atmapada. Pada matraha, matrasya padaha. Pada are matra, matra are pada. Akara, ukara, makara, and then without any akshara, without any shabda, without any sound. And this Jagrat Swapna Shushupti, Prathama Pada, Dvitiya Pada, Tritiya Pada, and then Chaturtha Pada is what is Amatra Turiya. So, Pranava Matranam Atma Padanam Cha Ekikaranena. Their one-on-one mapping between A, U, Ma, silence. Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti or Vishwa, Tejas, Pragnya, Turiya, in this way. Ekikaranena Pratipadyam Brahma Suchitam iti manyante. they say in this way Brahma is indicated in second Mangalacharana, but in this way Omkara is also there, because Omkara discussion is there in the Upanishad and in the Karika of first chapter. So that way they think. So it is okay, we don't have any problem, whoever wants to think whichever way, but that is not how it is. Na cha dvitiya shloke, now little bit of chanda jnanam. First shloka is Sragdhara chanda. Sragdhara has 21 letters in each pada, and you have to recite as 777. So that is how we do. Prajnanam Shupratanai 7, Sthirachara Nikara 7, Vyapibhir Vyapya Lokan 7. So that is Sragdhara Chanda. Mrabnairyanam Trayena Trimuniyatiyuta Sragdhara Kirtiyeyam. Mabnairyanam Trayena Trimuniyatiyuta Sragdhara Kirtiyeyam. Or Kirtiteyam. Kirtitayam. This is Sragdhara Chanda. It has Magana, Ragana, Bhagana, Nagana, and then Yagana. Now what is this Gana Shastra and that? I will just tell you one shloka. I will not elaborate. Adi madhyavasaneshu yarata yanti laghavam. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Manautu guru laghavam. Adi madhyavasane. Yarata yanti laghavam. Ya, if in the beginning, means laghu, guru. This is Yagana. Ragana will be Guru, Laghu, Guru. This will be Ragana. Tagana will be Guru, Laghu. So, Yarata yanti laghavam. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Bhagana, Guru first, then Laghu. Jagana, Guru in the middle. Laghu, Guru. Jagana. Sagana, Laghu Guru. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Manautu guru laghavam. Magana is Guru. Nagana is Laghu. In this way. So, this is how they do the chanda. So, this is Sragdhara chanda, first shloka. Second shloka is Mandakranta chanda. Mandakranta, the popular shloka Mandakranta chanda is Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham. Shantakaram 4, Bhujagashayanam 6, Padmanabham Suresham 7. 4, 6, 7 is the breakup for Mandakranta. Or Brahmanandam Paramasukhadam. Then Kevalam Jnanamurtim. Brahmanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim. So that Mandakranta Jaladi Shadagair Mbonatau Tad Guru Chet. This is how Mandakranta tune is. Mandakranta 4. Jaladi Shadagair Mbonatau Tad Guru Chet. So in that Magana, Bhagana, Nagana, Tagana and Guru. Each Gana has 3. In this way there are 17. So second shloka is 3 padas are Mandakranta, and suddenly 4th pada is Sragdhara. More letters are there in that. So about that now there is some discussion. न च द्वितीय श्लोके चतुर्थ पादे वृत्त लक्षणाभावात् असांगत्यम आशंकनीयम. सेकंड श्लोक चतुर्थ पाद, सी टिप्पणी नंबर 11 and 12. चतुर्थ पादे स्रग्धरा लक्षणवती इति शेषः. चतुर्थ पाद सेकंड श्लोक इज स्रग्धरा. वृत्त लक्षण, व्हाट इज द वृत्त लक्षण? पूर्व पाद त्रय प्रयुक्त मंदाक्रांत वृत्त. फर्स्ट 3 padas are मंदाक्रांत. चतुर्थ pada suddenly becomes Sragdhara. It is asangatyam. No, this is not proper. Iti na ashankaniyam. Why? Gatha lakshanasya tatra susampadатват. There is something called Gatha lakshana. Means see 14 number tippani. It's a long tippani. We'll see first. What is Gatha means? If a chanda is not fitting into any properly, but it has these other lakshanas, then it will be called Gatha chanda. If you just write something randomly, then it will not be called Gatha chanda. Gatha lakshanas chatra susampadатват iti drashtavyam. Drashtavyam full stop. After drashtavyam purna viram. Now you see 14 number tippani. Gatha lakshanancha त्रेधा उक्तम वृत्त रत्नाकरे. गाथा लक्षण is said in 3 ways. 3 are called gatha lakshana. Where it is said in vritta ratnakara. Vritta ratnakara means a kosha, a book of all meters, and what meter would be called what, everything is said, and whatever I read is actually given in vritta ratnakara only. Like a chanda is there, what are the ganas, and then how, when to do yati. Yati means when to pause, etc. is given there. Tad yatha vishamakshara padam 1. What is gatha chanda lakshanam? If it is vishamakshara pada, means in one pada more letters are there, second less, like that. So there are some chandas. They are called gatha chanda. Or padaihi asamam dashadharmavat. Padaihi asamam, like this. 3 padas are of one chanda, chaturtha pada another chanda, or 2 in one chanda, 2 in another. 1 and 3 are same, 2 and 4 are same, like that. This is called gatha chanda. And third is yad chando noktam अत्र गाथा इति तत्सूरिभिः प्रोक्तम इति अनया गाथया. Where it is not given what chanda it is, then also you can understand it is gatha. But it is chandobadda, only name is not known, but in this way, then that is called gatha. Now what is that dasha dharma? So he gives what is dasha dharma. अत्र च दशधर्मवदिति दशधर्म शब्दोपलक्षिता भारतोक्त गाथा उदाह्रियते. In Mahabharata some guy is given, gatha shloka is there. Here Sagyam, that is one. Dharmam na jananti dhritarashtra nibodha. People not know them. Mattaha pramattaha unattaha. Actually mattaha is repeated twice. It should be something else. मत्तः प्रमत्तः उन्मत्तः, देन श्रान्तः क्रुद्धः बुभुक्षितः त्वरमाणश्च भीरुश्च लुब्धः कामी च ते दश इति षड्पदी गाथा. सो दीज आर 10. मत्तः प्रमत्तः उन्मत्तः श्रान्तः एग्जॉस्टेड, क्रुद्धः एंग्री, बुभुक्षितः हंग्री, Twaramana, he wants to do something else quickly. Bhiru, afraid. Lubdaha, the one who is lobhi. Kami, all these are, they do not know dharma. But anyway, this thing is gatha chanda. This is called Shatpadi Gatha. So in this way, it is not appropriate to think that this is a wrong thing given. The Gatha Chanda is okay. Whatever is remaining, that Anyatwadya Shlokam, we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om